What's up YouTube? You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to diamond lace your Air Force Ones. So getting straight into it, we're going to be taking our laces and we're going to be threading them through the first two holes. We're going to go down through the hole, pull it across to the outside first hole, pull it through part of the way. Before you pull it all the way through, we're going to make sure the laces are the same length on both sides. So if you put your laces together, holding your shoe, pull it up through, just make sure that your laces are nice and flat, and then you should have your laces the same length. So we're going to take our outside lace first, we're going to bring it across the shoe and we're threading it down through the inside third hole. Then we're going to take our inside lace, we're going to thread it across the shoe and into the outside third hole. Then we're going to keep that lace in our hand and we're going to take it back on ourselves on the outside, bringing it up through the second hole. Then we're going to take our inside lace and we're going to thread it back, bringing it up through the inside second hole. Then we're going to take our outside lace and we're going to bring it across the shoe. We're going to take it to the inside fourth hole. Making sure that our laces are kept nice and flat. Then we're going to take our inside lace, we're going to bring it across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. Keeping the lace in your hand, you're going to take it back on itself and you're going to bring it up through the outside third hole. Then you're going to take the inside lace, you're going to bring it up through the inside third hole. We're going to take the outside lace and we're going to bring it across the shoe and we're going to thread it through the inside fifth hole. Make sure your laces are nice and flat as you go. Then we're going to bring the inside lace across the shoe and we're going to be threading it through the outside fifth hole. Keeping that lace in your hand, you're going to go back on yourself on the outside, bringing it up through the fourth hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to keep it on the same side and we're going to be coming up through the inside fourth hole. Then we're going to take the outside lace, we're going to bring it across the shoe and we're going to be putting it through the inside sixth hole. Then the inside lace comes across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. Keeping that lace in your hand, you're going to thread it back on the outside, bringing it up through the outside fifth hole. And then you're going to take the inside lace and you're going to be threading it up through the inside fifth hole. Then the outside lace comes across the shoe and it goes into the inside 7th hole. Then we take the inside lace, we're going to bring it across the shoe to the outside 7th hole. Tuck the laces behind the tongue, making sure that it's all nice and neat and out the way. Just check that your laces are all nice and even, and there you have your Diamond Lace Air Force 1. Thanks for watching.